Plastic bag has brought many conveniences to our life, such as our consumption in supermarkets, shops and restaurants. Meanwhile, it has also brought unexpected pollution hazard. People call it white pollution. The raw material of plastic bag is polyethylene, which is very inflammable. Plastic bag in itself is innocuous. However, it can generate a great deal of toxic gases after burning. The natural decomposition of every plastic bag usually takes more than 200 years. After statistics, the average time in using plastic bags, from production to discarding, each month in the world is 20 minutes. However, only 50% is recycled each year, whereas the rest 85%. It may be discarded on the road and in the park, causing visual pollution. Or it may be buried on the ground for more than 200 years, reducing the output of crops. Or it may be discarded to the garbage dump for concentrated combustion, generating large amounts of toxic gases and finally be inhaled into the body by us, resulting in enormous damage, may be swallowed by animals as food, resulting in the death of animals. More than 1 million seabirds and marine animals each year are dead, caused by eating plastic bags or drinking the polluted seawater. One British female journalist reckoned that the gathering together of all plastic bags in the world is sufficient to wrap the earth for once each year. Although many countries have prohibited the free use of plastic bags, why is the pollution of plastic bags is so serious? As the living standard of people getting higher, they would not mind to pay a few more cents to get a plastic bag that brings convenience to them. How to prevent the continuous expansion of the pollution and damage of plastic bags? Green bags can replace plastic bags. 1. Green bags can be decomposed in water, air, and under the sunshine within 1 month, which is non-toxic and pollution-free. 2. High softness. 3. Heat-resisting. 4. Can be used repeatedly. 5. The price of green bag is much higher than plastic bag, so people would not throw away after they use it once. Currently, only 10% of people in the world begin to use green bags. If everyone in the world reduces the usage of plastic bag for once each day, 7 billion plastic bags would be reduced per day. Moreover, we must reduce the use of plastic bags, use green bags to the greatest extent, and recycle the plastic bags.